Now I'm going to show you how to prepare the jars for the jelly. You can either buy special vacuum jars, or you can use honey jars, old honey jars, or jelly jars. Make sure that jars are clean and there is no odor left in the jar. If you don't have a lid, what they used to do in the olden days is take a baking sheet, just cut it in a circle, a little bit bigger than the top. You use a rubber band, and after the jelly will be inside, you can just cover it this way. Actually, that's how I learned from my grandmother. That's how she used to do all her jellies, like that. That's how she used to store them.